Hey everyone, Amanda here from Swift Galleries, and today we are talking about frames, specifically how to customize frame prints when you're in the designer. So I have a room pulled up here as well as some frames. So let's pick that one. Looks good. We'll finish our ad. Okay. So a few different things you can do to customize this. Okay, this is a 20 by 24. Let's move myself up here. Okay, you've got your frame color here that you can change. You also have a matte. All right, now you can see that there's no matte in there, but that's one of the ways you can customize. Let's say your client sees this 20 by 24 and is like, oh, you know what? I think I maybe want a matte in there. Cool, let's add a matte. And let's say they want to go with kind of a thick matte. You can adjust in here. Let's go with a huge matte. Why not? There we go. So I've adjusted the matte just by clicking this little plus sign right there. Let's say that for whatever reason your client wants let's go like a red matte. Try it, why not? So let's apply that. There you go, bright red matte for your client. And let's say that frame color is just not what they want. Maybe they even have a frame that they want to use from their own home that is, let's say it's a blue frame that they have at home that they'd like to use with this beautiful red matte. Apply that, there you go. Another thing you can do too is you can increase the frame width. Again, if you happen to have maybe a frame already that your client has, or maybe the company that you purchase your frames from, they just have a different size. We're just going to make this one, let's go up to here. Why not? And let's change this back to maybe a normal color frame. Let's go. Looks like there's some black accents here and some gray in the rug. So let's go for a gray frame. And let's change this matte color back to something that makes more sense. And again, let's say that this frame width is too big. Just click this minus button and that will reduce the frame size. And let's reduce the matte width as well. Okay. There you go. Just a couple of different ways that you can customize your frames to fit what your client is looking for. Again, to change your frame color, you just click here, couple of different options as far as being able to slide the scale to whatever color you'd like. It shows you what your initial color is and what you're changing it to. That way you get an idea right there of what color you are going to end up with. If you don't want to do it, just cancel and there you go. Again, your matte color you can change by clicking on that box right there. You've got your slider as well here that you can change to whatever color matte your client may want. We'll cancel that and there you go. Just a couple of different ways that you can customize the frames to better fit what your client is looking for in the Swift Galleries Designer.